Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be making one of the easiest, cheapest summer desserts I think you could ever have. This is one of my son's favorites. He does enjoy this. Last time I made it, he ate all of it, but a small bowl of it. We're making Watergate Salad. You need 1 can of crushed pineapple. In the bowl. To that, you're going to add 2 3.4 boxes, well, be off my counter, of pistachio pudding. There is no milk in this. My mom made this for my kids one summer before we went on a little picnic, and my boys absolutely love it. My daughter, however, does not. Alright, then all you're going to do is mix this together until you get a nice green and all of your liquid is absorbed by your powder. Something like that. Okay, to that, you are going to add a half of a 12-ounce bag, so 6 ounces of mini marshmallows. Add that to the bowl. And you're just going to fold those in and not drop them all over the floor. You don't want to deflate your marshmallows. You just want to kind of mix them in a little bit. Just like that. Then you need an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. I bought all the ingredients for this at the Walmart today, minus the marshmallows, for a total of $4.85. You're just going to take your Cool Whip, you're going to dump it in your bowl, if you can get it out of the container. Make sure to scrape all the goodness out. Just like that. You're going to fold that in. Mine's still a little frozen, but it's okay. It will work for what we need it to do. You can also add maraschino cherries to this, or walnuts. We're not big walnut fans, so we eat it this way. You just want to get it all well combined, get it all married together until it is looking yummy, yummy. And this will stay fresh in your refrigerator, covered, for up to a week. However, I wouldn't really know that from personal experience because it never makes it a week in my house. If my son had his way, he would have a spoon and the bowl, and it would be gone. We call this pistachio fluff in our house. It is not called Watergate salad in our house. My grandson is a very picky eater, and he will not touch this because it's green. So, and as his father told him, you don't know what you're missing. I'm just breaking up the chunks of Cool Whip I have in my bowl. As I said, mine was still a little frozen when I put it in here, so. Alright, once you get it well combined like this, you can also add coconut to this. I have done that. And my family does tend to eat it that way. Alright, once you get it fully combined like that, you are going to get a lid on it. You're going to pop it in your refrigerator for about an hour, just to let everything get all married and nice together. And when it's done, we will show you how it looks when we dish it up. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alrighty guys, this has been sitting in my fridge for a little over an hour. It is nice and creamy and fluffy and oh so yummy. We're just going to give it a nice little mixy mix here. Make sure we got everything nice and married together. Still got some whipped cream here that didn't fold all the way in, but that's okay. It still tastes good. Alright, we're going to put a little scoopy of this into the bowl. And give it a little tasty test. Oh, so good, but it needs coconut. But yummy, yummy in my tummy. If y'all like the video, give me a nice little thumbsy upsy, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.